咱赶紧来关心美国昨昏大规模攻击委内瑞拉。今仔日委内瑞拉的总统马杜罗甲因牵手已经放押去纽约。美国用毒品、甲恐怖主义等等的罪名甲伊起诉。那委内瑞拉咧，川普宣布美国会来接管重整石油等等的基础建设，而且由委内瑞拉的副总统罗德里吉斯来替手做新的总统。
透早2点，委内瑞拉首都加几落的军事要地传来爆炸声音。同日的时间，美国三角洲部队地面行动，伫乌提纳布军事基地，甲捆绑中的委内瑞拉总统马杜罗甲伊夫人押起来，押送出境。轰炸行动半点钟以后结束。要让川普伫社群媒体放一张相片，是马杜罗被铐手铐带走。
And the force was over the water at 3:29 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, with indicted persons on board. And both Maduro and his wife were embarked aboard the USS Uwajima.
几点钟后，马杜罗被押送到美国纽约的布鲁克林的看守所。美国司法部讲，马杜罗面临毒品恐怖主义阴谋等针对美国的罪行，已经获纽约南区联邦地区法院起诉。美国总统川普加国务卿卢比奥也伫尾下记者会宣布，会暂时接管委内瑞拉。
How long do you expect the U.S. to run Venezuela, and how soon do you want Venezuelan people to hold elections?
So I'd like to do it quickly, but it takes a period of time. You know, we're rebuilding. We have to rebuild their whole infrastructure.
川普讲，委内瑞拉副总统罗德里格斯已经宣誓就职正式是任总统。56岁罗德里格斯是马杜罗政权内面地位上悬的人物之一，伊还阁兼任石油加财政部长，掌握国家的经济。 虽然之前路透社有报道讲，伊已經去羅西亞，掩過羅西亞後任。
She's, I guess, the president. She was sworn in as president just a little while ago. She had a long conversation with Marco, and she said, "We'll do whatever you need." I think she was quite gracious, but she really doesn't have a choice.
不過，委內瑞拉反對派領袖也是2025年諾貝爾和平獎得主的馬查多，是反對和馬杜羅的共黨接政權。 伊講國際社會應該支持2024年大選時陣真正民選的合法總統烏魯蒂亞回國接政權。對此，川普無回應，頂多是個點名哥倫比亞、墨西哥加古巴這個加毒品運來美國嘅國家，愛較細膩咧。
What you could see are air and missile strikes against drug facilities in these countries. When the president talked about Colombia, he talked about the drug production facilities. The same thing in Mexico.
這一案，總統就被押去美國準備接受審判。委內瑞拉政局動盪，民眾心內攏驚驚，有真濟人天一光就開始排隊搶買物資，也有人已經穿好機會準備要離開。委內瑞拉的未來變數真多。記者綜合報道。